Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. So how I told yesterday's video that I will bring today VIP room decoration. So the video is here. You can see the VIP room decoration. So how are you all? I hope you all are doing good. So let's start the video without wasting any time. So let's start the video. You can see this picture. You can see the wall decoration and the beautiful decoration. You can see this one also, the way you can sleep here. It is very beautiful place they make for sunrise. Maybe very beautiful place they made this one, very beautiful. You can see this one also, the wall decoration. You can see the lights and all the lights. You can see beautiful lights, and down you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the small plants and all, very beautiful plants, very good plants, very attractive plants. You can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the down floor. You can see very beautiful floor. This is also very beautiful. You can see up. You can see up the window. You can see down. You can see the grass and all, very beautiful grass, looking very beautiful. This one you can see very beautiful. You can see the lights and all, very beautiful lights, and you can see this one also very beautiful. You can see the interior lights, very beautiful lights, very good lights. You can see decoration. It's also very good decoration. You can see the down. You can see fire, and up you can see lamp and all, beautiful lamp, looking very beautiful, very good. You can see this one also very beautiful, the wall and this one and the lights, very beautiful, very good. You can see this one also very beautiful, the lights and all you can see, and the roof you can see, and the wall, everything very beautiful decoration. You can see this one also very beautiful decoration, the small plants and all, looking very beautiful, very good. And this one also very beautiful. You can see the outside view and inside, very beautiful. This one also very beautiful. You can see the up, you can see, and down you can see the kitchen, outdoor kitchen, very beautiful kitchen. This one also you can see the outdoor kitchen. You can see the up, you can see, and down you can see, very beautiful, very good looking. And the grass you can see. This one you can see the grass balls, very beautiful balls. So if you guys like this video, so please don't forget to like and subscribe and share it with your friends and families and all. So I hope you like this video. So thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Love you all. Wait for the next video.